Hey everyone, so I just want to kind of tell you about this free product that I received from Influenster. It is the Total Repair 5 Damaging Erasing Balm by L'Oreal Paris, and it's called Elvive. I've been using it for about a month now, and my hair feels amazing. And this product, after just one use, it makes your hair feel like very soft. It's not as brittle as it used to be, and it really helps with split ends, any weak hair, rough hair, dull hair, dehydrated hair. So if you have any of those problems, I definitely recommend this product for you. All you have to do is, after you shampoo your hair, leave this in for about 1 to 3 minutes, rinse it and then just rinse. And then you can use this every day. Just show you the consistency of it in here. So this is kind of what it looks like, and it smells amazing as well. So I definitely recommend this product.